Alright, welcome back to part 2. Solve your cube. Okay, to those of you who've already learned all the moves that I've showed you, then it's going to be awesome because you're going to learn how to do it now. Those of you who did not learn the moves, well, you're wasting your time watching this video. Here we go. Okay, remember what I told you. The bottom is the white. That's the way I'm teaching. The top is the yellow. So you want to keep it this way, okay? First thing you want to do is on the top, I want you to put white squares around this yellow. Not on the corners, just in the middle. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. And I'll do mine. Okay, look for the whites in the middle. Okay, it should look like that. Okay, white, 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 and the center is yellow. That is your top. Okay, next thing I want you to do is next to every single white, you're going to find a color. Okay, in this case that's blue, right next to this white. So you're going to twist the bottom two to locate the blue. Okay, just like that. No, you can't see it now. Hold on. There you go. Okay, once you've located the color, it doesn't have to be all three. If you end up to get three, that's fine too. Okay, doesn't matter though. In my case, I got two. So you want to flip it upside down. Okay, now you got both blues there with the white next to your bottom white. Okay, so you move to the next one. This one's orange. The orange is already there, so I don't have to turn around and look for it because it's already there. So I go ahead and flip it upside down. Okay, you go to the next white. The green's already there. Luckily, if it wasn't, then you just turn both bottoms until you find it. There it is. You turn it upside down. Next one, last but not least, you got the red there. It's already there. You flip it upside down. So now on the bottom, you got this white cross along with these centers matching in the middle area. Okay? So that's what you want. Once you've done that, we're going to start by locating all these whites on these corners here. And how do you do that? Well, here's a white right here, and it's got a blue and an orange. Okay, so we're going to find those two colors, blue and orange, so we can put that corner in. Here's an orange, here's the blue. So you want to center these two colors between them. Okay, you want to center the white in between the two colors that pertain to that block. Okay, now that you found it, I want you to do a right hand move. Okay, now you might not be using the same colors that I am right now, but whatever colors you're using, and because the white is on the right side of the cube, that's going to make me conduct a right hand move. If this white was over here on the left, like this one, then I would do the left hand move. But that is not so. It is on the right side of the cube, so I'm going to go ahead and do the right side move. And there, I've placed it where it belongs, and it's matching. Okay, so let's find another white. There's one, and this one has a green and an orange. So let's find the green and the orange. There's the green, and here's the orange. So we're going to place that white in between those two. And now that we've placed it, since we're working with the white, we want to be facing the white. Yellow's on top, white's on the bottom. As you can see, this white is now on the left hand of the cube, so I'm going to conduct the left hand move. Okay, there it is. And now that corner piece is locked in with the proper colors. Now in this case, when you end up with a white on the bottom, this is what you got to do. Just get it out of the way. Lift it, lift the white, get it out of the way, and return these two whites back to the bottom. Okay, that way we don't mess with them. Now we got a white here on the top, not on the front, and we still have those two colors, which is red and blue. There's the red, there's the blue. We place the white in between both of the colors, and because it's on the top, we're going to conduct the move 3 times. Now, as you can see, this white is on the right side of the cube, so we will be conducting the right hand move 3 times because the white is on top. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. And there you go. That corner block is located, is properly inserted where it needs to be. Okay? Now we got this other white pending up here. We know where it's going to go. Okay, but you still want to match the colors, green and red. So we place the white in between those two colors that are in the centers, and it's in front. So what move are we going to do? I'm asking you. If you said right hand move, you are correct, because it's on the right side of the cube. So let's do that. There you go. Now you got all the bottom, and you got the first layer. Okay, perfect. Now what we're going to do is go to the next layer. We're starting from the bottom up, but we are not going to work with any blocks or any pieces of the cube that have yellow on them, because the yellow is going to be the top. In this case, we're going to work with only the centers. Okay, and watch what's going to happen. We're going to find this color, blue and red, so we're going to look for the orange. Blue and orange, we're going to find the orange, and it's going to be centered. Now we got to place it on either this side or this side. And how are you going to know? Depending on the color that's on top. Okay, in this case it's blue. The blue is on the right side of the cube, and you have green on the left. So I need to move this block over here to the right. So what I'm going to do is conduct a right hand move. Now that I've conducted this right hand move, I end up with a white on this side of the cube. So I'm going to put it back where it belongs by conducting a left hand move, because it's on the left side of the cube. There it is. Now I got that middle piece right there in. Okay, now flip for another one. Here's one, green and orange. Okay, orange is here. We don't need that because the green is in the front. Let's turn it to the green. Okay, and we already, as you see, there's already a green there, but it doesn't belong there. That has red instead of orange. This one has the orange. So because I need to put this over here, what move am I going to do? I'm going to do a left hand move. The right hand move. I'm sorry, because it's going to the right side of the cube. Here we go. There, I ended up with another white. Every time you do the center one, you're going to end up with a white. So you just simply place it back where it needs to go. Period. Okay, now we're good. Let's go to the next one. We have a blue and red here. There we go. Red is on the right side of the cube, and the blue needs to be right here. So let's go and conduct a right hand move, because it needs to go to the right side of this block. There we go. Conduct a right hand move. There. Now we're left with a white. We need to put it back down, so we're going to conduct a left hand move. And there, it's down. Okay. Now let's find another one. Here's green and red. Okay. So we're going to put it with the green, and obviously it needs to go over here, right in this area. So because this red is on the left side of the cube, we're going to do a left hand move. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left hand move, but we're stuck with a white. And now the white's on the right side of the cube. We're going to conduct a right hand move. There it goes. As you can see, we have successfully located all the whites and the first two blocks. Okay? They're all matching. Now we're going to work with doing the top. In the top, you're going to be looking for different shapes. You can be looking for a backwards L with yellows, a straight I of yellows, or a centerpiece, just a yellow. And you're going to be doing the twist move here. Once you locate the backwards L, you have to put it up that way, okay? And then you hold your cube straight and conduct the twist move that I showed you. Okay? And now we ended up with the fish. Okay? It looks like a fish, so you want to turn it this way. You're not always going to end up with a fish. Sometimes you'll end up with something like this. Look. You'll end up with that, but you want to twist it and make it as an I formation right there. You don't have to worry about these ones there. It's an I. So then you conduct the twist move. Okay? And now I ended up with, let's see, you got turn it. Oh, there's a backwards L. Okay? So I conduct the twist move again. Okay, now this is not a fish. This is actually like a cross. These two don't count. If one of them was missing on this corner, then it'd be a fish move, but it's not. Okay? Every time you get a cross like this, a yellow cross or a yellow plus sign, you want to put a yellow right on the bottom corner right here, and then conduct your fish move. Okay, so we're going to conduct the fish move here that you should already know. There we got the X again, I mean the cross, the plus sign. You want to turn your cube till you get that yellow there, and then you can conduct your fish move again, and now you ended up with the fish. Every time you get the fish, you want to place it this way, facing that way, and then you do the fish move again. Okay, there, now you got all the tops. Now we're going to look for the two stickers. When you don't see any two stickers, but you get a full face, that still counts as a two sticker. So you're going to turn your two sticker this way, and you're going to do the two sticker move. Okay, then you want to, once you get something like this, you want to line up the colors, line up all the two stickers. If you end up with one solid on the back, that's even better. Now you can do the last move. See? And that's it. Cube's done. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice evening or day, whatever it is.